Hello everybody! Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 3. Let's get started. Number 1. Brave. It means showing courage and not being afraid of danger. Here are 2 examples. 1. She was brave enough to speak in front of a large audience. 2. The brave firefighter rescued the child from the fire. Number 2. Curious. It means eager to know or learn something. Here are 2 examples. 1. The curious child asked many questions about space. 2. I'm curious to know how this machine works. Number 3. Brilliant. It means very smart or very impressive. Here are 2 examples. 1. Albert Einstein was a brilliant scientist. 2. She had a brilliant idea for the project. Number 4. Honest. It means telling the truth and not lying. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is always honest about her feelings. 2. An honest student admitted he made a mistake. Number 5. Jealous. It means feeling unhappy when someone has what you want. Here are 2 examples. 1. She felt jealous when her friend bought a new car. 2. He was jealous of his brother's success. Number 6. Polite. It means having good manners and being respectful. Here are 2 examples. 1. The polite boy said, "Thank you" to the teacher. 2. It's polite to wait your turn in line. Number 7. Rude. It means not polite, disrespectful. Here are 2 examples. 1. It is rude to interrupt someone while they are speaking. 2. The waiter was rude, so we left the restaurant. Number 8. Sincere. It means saying what you really think or feel. Honest. Here are 2 examples. 1. He gave her a sincere compliment. 2. Please accept my sincere apologies. Number 9. Strict. It means demanding rules to be followed. Here are 2 examples. 1. Our teacher is strict about homework deadlines. 2. His parents are very strict with house rules. Number 10. Wise. It means showing good judgment and knowledge. Here are 2 examples. 1. The wise old man gave excellent advice. 2. It is wise to save money for the future. Now, let's do a quick recap. Brave, curious, brilliant, honest, jealous, polite, rude, sincere, strict, and wise. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.